You always dreamed of making it big in your town. People had a certain walk and a certain frown, steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks once you get a taste of it.
Let's quickly get this all cleaned up.
Higher and higher, you'll reach your desire.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for today's video. I appreciate you all so very much for stopping by and spending some time with me. I'm going to keep the voiceover short and sweet to the start of this video. I just wanted to jump on and say thank you so much for so many beautiful, kind wishes, thoughts and prayers in my last video where I shared that sad news. But I just really wanted to acknowledge everyone, and I will be jumping in the comments through this week just to get back to everyone who left a message on my last video. I love and appreciate you all so much. I shared those comments with my sister when I went down to see her. We spent about 5 days down there. We all got to meet beautiful baby Beatrix. We were down there also for my sister's birthday while we were visiting. Then it was back up to Brisbane in time for the boys to go back to school after the school holidays finished. And then the fun of getting the house back in order begins once you return from being away, even if it's just for a short time, like 4 or 5 days. There's still a bit of work involved. So this is what this video is about, just putting the house back in order, not going overboard, just taking it little baby steps, just to make sure nothing gets too out of control, but nothing is too overwhelming, and I don't want to be stressing out about cleaning the house. I hope you enjoyed this little cleaning motivation video, and I will be back in a few days with a little chatty life catch-up video.
Put some color on those cheekbones. Oh, it's never too late for you to get well known. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your fears bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
We're going for easy. Easy. Since both of the kids are sick and we are out of tissues. Cheese, good for slicing, grating. School lunch boxes, back to school tomorrow. I'm gonna make some macaroni cheese. School lunches. Good afternoon, last day of the holidays, snack treat. Plus I'll put some in the school lunch boxes tomorrow. My new favourite thing, sesame seed bread for school lunches. And then just an easy side salad for dinner. Super easy. And that is it. And that is the cheapest, $27.03. Grocery store and made me a cup of tea. He had a tea waiting for me. So nice.
I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter. I can feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water. Seeping through the edges of my soul.
I'm recording. I always do that with my phone.